Welcome students. Some of you were telling me that your result is not coming. So for your sake, I'm doing the same program in my own app just to check whether it is coming or not. So starting my new program, text editor, empty editor. Okay. So from here I'll start my program. You know very well how to start. HTML. So presently I'll be pausing this video to make it shorter. Okay. So I'll pause this video. My coding looks like this now. Always make a habit to save it. You will save it. Okay. You will save it, and after saving, then you press play, and after play, you could see here that means my first coding is okay. Again I'll pause. Firstly I'll do the coding, then I'll show you the result. Now I've added one more code in this. Let's see, is it working or not. I have added p align is equal to right. I love my school. Then I close the p tag. Then I'll just save it. Always make a habit to save first. Then I'll press play button. So that means my two codes are working perfectly. Now p align is equal to justify I have to use. Then always p align is equal to justify okay. I'll close angle brackets. I'll drag it up, and then I'll just write any one of the line. So presently again I'll pause. Okay, so I have added the coding for p align is equal to justify. The same way as I have told you in the computer, I have just written, I've typed the line here, I love my teachers and elders. Then I copy and paste this line again and again just to make it as a paragraph. Okay, so again I'll repeat the process. What I'll do, I'll just click on these dots, three dots, save, then view in toolbar, same thing, or I can just press it here. You could see the same result is coming. I don't know why it is not coming on your mobile, but just see on my mobile it is coming. So please just follow the steps as I have done. I'll come back. I think most of the things I have done. Yes, only your center is left, so that is not a big issue. I can start with the new coding. And I think earlier also I have told you that in HTML there is no problem for case. Means you can write either in capital or small. Only when we are giving the values, then we have to use small case. That also I'll explain you further. Suppose I have written here center as I have given in that program, and then I close this just to save the time. Yeah, here from here also you can give the tab as I used to do it in computer. I can always press the tab here, like from here I can press the tab. So in center what I'll write, I have learned paragraph tag. Okay, the same I'll do. I have learned paragraph tag. Okay, so center is been done. Again, always what I prefer, save, and then I'll just see whether this code is working or not. I'll press this. So you could see all my codes are working. So always make a habit, whatever code you are using, firstly check this. Check the code what you have entered. After checking that code only, then proceed further. That is a bad practice. Firstly you will type each and everything, and then if you are running the program, then many errors can come. So that is not the good practice. So after writing the center, now what I'll do, I'll just go for the command tag, you know very well. So for command tag, exclamation sign, so I have to just search for exclamation sign. It's here, and what I have written there in this program, I have used paragraph tag. Then I'll close this. I hope, yes, we have finished the program. Again, what the steps I'll follow, these 3 dots, I'll firstly click on these 3 dots, save, then I click on run. So just see, I'm getting the same result what I was getting in computer. Okay, same result in both the cases. Take the screenshot for this, and I'll share this screenshot in your group. So I'll close my tutorial here. I'll just send this tutorial to you.